Everyone, welcome into JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about templates in JMeter. Templates are a great way to save time and simplify your test creation process. Whether you are new to JMeter or an experienced tester, templates can make your life easier. Let's jump right in. When you open the JMeter, you can click on this template option. On open this, multiple templates are available. You can add these templates in your test plan. These are the summary of this test plan. If you want any help on this template, for example, this is bean shell sampler. So this is the useful link. You can click on this link and you know about the sampler bean shell sampler. Now add the template. You can add the template from this option. Click on file and then click on templates. Let's add a template here. Click on this functional testing test plan and then click on create. After click on create, the template has been added. We can add multiple templates in this thread group. So click on this thread group, click on templates, and now you can view here the option is showing merge. Click on merge. This template has been added in this test plan. Now save this template, click on file and then click on save. Now it will ask for the location this file will be saved. You can change the name here. Suppose we want to save this test plan inside this bin folder and then enter the file name test plan and then click on save. This template has been successfully saved into this bin location. Now I will show you how you can create the template in JMeter. Let's find out this test plan. Make sure you add this file with this name, file name, and then extension which is .jmx. Copy this file and then open the templates folder. Here template folder present. Open this templates folder. These all the templates. Suppose you want to perform the load testing of the database, so you can add the template from this location. Paste this template here. After paste this file, you need to change some configuration. Open these templates and make sure you open this file on the Notepad++. Now, these all the templates and useful links here available. Let's add one more template here. Copy this template and paste here. In this, you need to enter first template name. This is the template name. First, enter the template name test plan templates and then enter the description. You can enter the description here. Now we need to enter the file name. So the file name here testplan.jmx. Change this file name and enter testplan.jmx. This is basically the location of this file which is present in this folder testplan.jmx. Now we have added the test plan name. This is the file name testplan.jmx, and these are the useful links. You can add the heading 1, heading 2, and the description here in this section. Now save this file and restart the JMeter for reflecting the changes. Click on file and then click on restart. Now changes will be reflected when the JMeter will open. JMeter is opening. Yes, JMeter has been opened. Now let's check whether this template is successfully added or not. When creating a template in JMeter, the main reason is to save time and ensure consistency. Templates allow you to reuse reconfigure test plan. We can use the template which reduces repetitive setup work and ensure standardization across projects. This is especially useful for beginners to learn, for experienced tester to maintain efficiency in testing workflows. Now, let's check whether this template added or not. Click on this and search here test plan template. Yes, template has been successfully added. Click on test plan template and then click on merge. Here you can view this test plan. That is for today's tutorial on creating a template in JMeter. The main reason for creating the test plan is to save time and ensure consistency. For today's tutorial on JMeter templates that are easy and efficient way to streamline your testing process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SK World for more testing tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, please leave in a comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.